Hi friends, today we are going to be looking at the solution for some of the take home we're given in our previous exposition on calculation and chemistry. In our previous exposition, we worked on how we could get the chemical formulas for various compounds, and we are given a couple of questions to go and try at home. So today we are going to be looking at the solutions to those questions. So there's the first question. How do we write the chemical formula for this very compound? Iron 3 tetraoxosulfate 6. How do we do that? Don't forget that for us to do this, we need the knowledge of the valency for each of the major players involved. So the very first one we have here is iron 3. Is the first iron 3 is the first we have. Don't forget that iron has the iron we are talking about here. We're talking about ferrum, which is Fe. So what's the valency for iron? The valency for iron here is 3. Don't forget that most times the knowledge of radicals and oxidation numbers are needed for us to understand, for us to get valencies easily. So iron 3 is this 3 here. Then tetraoxosulfate 6, SO4, which is always 2 minus. This an anion. It's not a cation. So what's the valency for SO4? SO4 has a valency of just 2. Now, when it comes to valencies, we don't really care if it's positive or negative. We said that already. We just get something neutral. So iron 3. So iron first, which is 3. Then SO4, which is 2. So what do we do next? The next thing we do is to cross multiply. This goes with this. This goes with this. So that's iron first. 2 atoms now. Then SO4 in bracket, because they are multiple, 3 atoms. So iron 3 tetraoxosulfate 6 is going to be Fe2 SO4 3. As simple as that. Okay, here was the second question we were given in our previous exposition on calculation and chemistry. So we are asked to get the chemical formula for sodium trioxynitrate 5. That's what we are asked to do. Sodium trioxynitrate 5. Now, how do we write the chemical formula for sodium trioxynitrate 5? Now, first of all, the valency for sodium, natrium, don't forget that sodium has a Latin name, natrium. The valency for sodium is 1, that's 1. Then trioxynitrate 5, which is NO3, 3 oxygen, that is trioxo, 3 oxygen and nitrogen, that's trioxynitrate 5. So NO3 has valency of 1 also. So we've worked on all this already. NO3 naturally is an anion. It has a radical of -1, so it has a valency of 1. So we end up cross multiplying. This goes with this, this goes with this. So that is sodium, 1 atom, NO3, 1 atom. So what do we end up having? We end up having sodium, NO3, as simple as ABC. Okay, question 3, the third question we're given. We are asked to write the chemical formula for ammonium triisocarbonate 4. This was the third question. So how do we write the chemical formula for this very compound? Now, first of all, when we talk about ammonium is NH4, 1 atom of nitrogen and 4 atoms of hydrogen, I beg your pardon. So NH4 has a valency of 1, we talked about that already. Then trioxocarbonate 4, which is CO3, a form of anion, naturally has a radical of -2. So the valency is 2. So ammonium, valency 1, CO3, valency 2. So we cross multiply. This goes with this, and this goes with this. What do we have? We have NH4 in bracket. We add our 2 to it because these 2 atoms is going to go with a couple of elements, nitrogen and hydrogen involved. So CO3, 1. So we write this out like this. That would be NH4, the 2 here, CO3. This is a chemical formula for ammonium triisocarbonate 4. Okay, this was the very last question we were given in our previous association on how to write the chemical formula for compound. Now we are asked to write the chemical formula for zinc tetraoxosulfate 6. Zinc tetraoxosulfate 6. So first of all, we're going to get the valencies for each of them. So what's the valency for zinc? Zinc is Zn. Valency for zinc is 2. Zinc is a metal. It's a cation. Then tetraoxosulfate 6, SO4. Valency is 2. So we'll cross multiply. What do we have? When we do that, we end up having zinc here, 2 atoms of zinc, SO4, two atoms of SO4. So what do? The next thing, these two atoms take out each other. So we end up with this zinc tetraoxosulfate, so ZnSO4. So these are all our answers. So if you got all this right, it means you understood what we took in our previous exposition on how to write chemical formulas for various compounds. So at this very point in time, we're going to be drawing the content of today's exposition. So if you found this resourceful, please subscribe to this very channel and share this exposition. See you in the next exposition. Thanks.